Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Everything Will Be Alright, and that is by Vickie Winans. We're in the key of F on today. Very fun song, guys. We're going to get into it. This was requested by Cynthia. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for giving us such an awesome song to work on today. I really appreciate it. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. Alright guys, we're in the key of F. Let's get it. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the awesome Vickie Winans in the house. She's going to come and bring us her awesome voice. She's going to worship with us. And we're going to do what we always do. We're going to crack her knuckles, right? We're going to stretch them out. And I think we're ready. Are we ready? All right, guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Vickie Winans, Everything's going to Be All Right. That was Vickie Winans with Everything Will Be Alright. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So this song have 3 parts to it. The first part is very simple. We're going, don't let the problems get you down. So this is our first part. We're going to do this multiple times in the song. All right, so we're on the 1. We're playing an F major chord. We're going to our 7. We're playing a C major chord. Going to our 6. That's a B flat major chord. Going right here to our E flat dominant 7 chord, and that's on the 6 flat. And guys, like I said, we're going to keep on doing this, right? The next part is doing the exact same thing. It switches up right here on the 3rd part. Don't let your hard times get the best of you. Hold your head up and walk on through. All right, what is that? So we're on the 1 and we're playing an F major chord. Going to our 3, we're playing a nice beautiful F dominant 7 chord. Going to our 4, B flat major chord. Going to our 2. Big chord here. If you can't make that stretch, you don't have to hit that F. I prefer to hit it. It adds a little bit more tension to it. That's F, C, D, G. We're going right here. A G dominant 7 chord on the 5 flat. All right, what is that? Regular B flat 6 chord on the 5. All right, and then the next part is doing the same thing, guys. 1, 7, 6, 6 flat. Repeat it. 1, 7, 6, 6 flat. We're going to the 1, going up to the 3, going to the 4, or 2, 5 flat, going to the 5. All right, this is the next part. Everything will be alright, be alright, alright. what is that? We're going to our 1. That's the F major chord on the 1. 7, we're playing a G minor chord. 3, we're playing our D flat augmented chord. 6, we're playing a C major chord. 5, we're playing our E flat 7 chord. 1, F13 chord. Going to the 4, that's a F6 chord. Open chord, this is an F2 chord on the 3. Right there we're playing an F2 chord on the 2. Then we're just walking our 2 up. 2, 3, 4, 5 flat. Going to our 5. Right here on the 5 we're playing a B flat 2 chord. B flat added 2, I should say. Then you can hit that twice. And then we just repeat that again. Now let's go to the third part of the song, the vamp. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Alright, what is all of that? We're on the 1. We're playing this B flat C, E flat, F in our right hand. Then our bass is just going 5, 6, 1. When we hit that 1, now we're going to hit an F dominant 7 chord. Go to your 3. We're staying on the F dominant 7 chord. All right, what is that? We're playing a 4. Right there on the 4, we're playing an F6 chord. 2, 1, 2. Going to our 7 flat. Our 7 flat, we're playing a E flat dominant 7 chord. Guys, I hope this was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is when plans shift, purpose shows up. I'll never forget when the government rolled out those stimulus checks during COVID. While most people were paying bills or stocking up on groceries, I had a big idea. I was going to become a coder and build my own app. So I dropped down $1,200 on a shiny new MacBook, dove into tutorials, and after a few weeks, I actually built something. But here's the plot twist. The deeper I got into coding, the more I realized I hate it. I mean, I'm techie, but not that kind of techie. The excitement faded, and I was left staring at this expensive computer, wondering, what now? Then out of nowhere, I got a call from a pastor friend. He needed someone to create music for him and his praise team. Normally, I would have said no without thinking, because before I didn't even own a computer. But this time, I was ready. The very thing I bought for one dream became the bridge to another. Life lesson. Sometimes, God lets us chase one path just to put the right tools in our hands for the real assignment. What feels like failure might just be preparation in disguise. In the end, nothing is wasted when it's placed in God's hand. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and joining me on today. And Cynthia, thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. We are on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And you know what? We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. They tell me it takes 5 seconds. Some people say it takes a month. I don't know why. Some people say it takes a year. I don't know why, but I'm going to tell you, I think it takes 3 seconds. Let's see if you can hit that button in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it, and you just hit the bell. Man, you guys have just made my day, my month, my year. Thank you so much. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.